What's the meaning of anyways? Anyways. 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 Anyways.
Anyways is an informal word that is often used to indicate a transition or change in topic. Its primary function is to shift the focus of a conversation from one point to another, without being too abrupt. It is often used at the beginning of a sentence, and can convey a sense of casualness or informality. While it is not technically considered proper grammar, anyways has become a common colloquialism in many parts of the English-speaking world. In short, anyways is a conversational tool that allows for a smoother flow of dialogue.